you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a very exciting video to show you. I have a new Confetti Collections holiday limited edition box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in here and what's the details on how you can get this box for free? That's right, for free. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Confetti Collections, you know, I do bring on my channel. I paid for myself a whole year subscription. So they're a bi-monthly box, so that gives me 6 boxes for an entire year. Now they got a hold of me and they asked if I would be willing to show you guys this special holiday box. So this was sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Confetti Collections, for sending me this box for review to show my subscribers. Now, here's the thing. The very first 75 people who sign up right now, the first 75 people who sign up for an entire year subscription, so it's $105 for the entire year, giving you 6 boxes. So they're not giving you a box every single month, it's every other month because it's a bi-monthly subscription. So if you were to sign up for the entire year and prepay for that year for $105, you will get this box for free. But it's only for the first 75 people who sign up. So take a look inside here, see if it's your thing, if you're interested, and if you are, the first 75 people will get this box for free. So one thing I did notice, it came to me just like this and it was not sealed. And I'm like, oh no, I hope nobody tried to take a peek and try to see what's inside of my box before I did. So I opened it up and I saw this and I'm like, nope. Good old Confetti Collections. They're so good at packaging their boxes that no one's gonna be able to get anything out of here. So I closed it back and I didn't take another look. So now we're going to look inside here and see. One thing though, I would think it would be like red or green tissue paper. Maybe mine is just because, but here is the box. Let's go ahead and get in here. Now, the reason why I tell you they do everything so well, they always put everything in like this. So everything's all wrapped up, even the monthly boxes. This is how it comes, all wrapped up, all tight and compact in a little package. So nothing's going to come out. Their normal box is a little bit bigger than this. This is just like I don't know if they're gonna turn to this box, which is smaller and easier because the other box is so big. I can't even put it in frame, you guys. But they always give you this stuff, and it's not just the regular. They even have like these in there that are like iridescent. I always hang on to this. This is very good to use for gift baskets or for gift giving. If you have like a gift, you can put it down in there. When I send you guys giveaways, that kind of thing, I can use these inside the boxes. So I always hang on to this and I keep it and I repurpose it for something else. So just FYI, if you get these, you can always use these for anything. Don't just throw them, well, you can throw them away if you want to, but I like to reuse them for other purposes. So there's the little tip for you guys. So now let's go ahead and get in here and let's see what is going to be in here and what you could quite possibly get for free. That's amazing. So let's get this opened. Oh, and it is all Christmas themed. All right, so removing the loud tissue paper. This is how it looks inside. So they're always in a bag and then it's wrapped in tissue paper, so nothing's falling out. So I don't mind that it wasn't taped because no one got into here. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. All right, so let's open this up. So again, the first 75 people that sign up for the year, $105 is a lot of money to a lot of people. But if you look at it for the whole entire year, and it's a savings of like, I think the normal would be like $300 retail if you were to buy everything. So for $105, it's a really good deal. And you get some really cool products in 6 boxes per year. So let's see. So the first thing right on top, how cute. This is a keepsake ornament. Personalize your ornament to remember for years to come. Merry Christmas. C.R. Gibson. See back for details. So on the back of it, it tells you personalize your ornament for years, and it looks like you can put a picture on both sides if you wanted to, but you only probably put it up one way. So you can put the picture in here and then hang it up. So that is really cute. I think what I'll do is take a good picture. When I put my Christmas background up on December 1st, I will get my man in here and we'll take a cute picture and I will print it and put this on my tree for this year. And I think that's really cute. So that's so cute. So this says Merry Christmas, and then it has the Merry Christmas up here, and that's how you would hang it, or you can even set it because it is wood. So if you wanted just to set it somewhere instead of hanging it on your tree, you can. But here is a really cute wooden ornament that you can personalize by putting in your own picture or whatever you want to put in there. So I think that's really cute. And at the top is where you turn that, and then you just slide your, you've got it, yeah, you could slide the glass out and put your picture inside of there. So how cute. So there's item number 1. Number 2, it says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. Oh, cute. This is from C.R. Gibson as well. And this is just like a little trinket dish. You can use it for your jewelry, or when you come home and empty your pockets, or whatever you want. It's a little trinket dish, and it says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle. That is super cute. I really like that. I think that's cute. Okay, so now we have, again from C.R. Gibson, this is Christmas cards. It says, Giver's Gonna Give, and it has Santa Claus. Oh, there's 2 different ones. So inside the Santa one that says Givers Are Gonna Give, here, I'll just open it and show you guys. Then we can see what it really says. Instead of just guessing, because there's 2 different cards in here actually. Oh, and there's green envelopes. Okay. And then here's the elves. It says, it's who you know, with the elves. And then on the inside, it says, hoping you get all you wish for this holiday. And it's in a green font. And then again, the front has the little elves. There's green envelopes in here to go with them all. And then the Santa one that says, give us, gonna give, with Santa on it. And the inside it says, and this guy loves to give. And then there's a lot of room so you can write your own notes. This is perfect because, especially if you were to get this, you know, in the beginning of December, you have it in time to write out your cards. Even if you were to just attach them to your gifts or you mail them out, you have your cards. Then this one, it says Merry Christmas. December 25 is the license plate on there. And on the inside it says, and may all of your days be a joyful ride. That is really cute. And this is again from C.R. Gibson as well. They use a lot of stuff from C.R. Gibson, which I really like. They have amazing paper products, you guys. Really, really good. So 2 different sets of Christmas cards. Here is sticker labels, decorative 10 sheets by C.R. Gibson as well. So here are labels, and you know what? I definitely need these. I just used the last ones that I had because I'm already wrapping gifts, you guys. I've already shipped out gifts. Like, I'm on top of things this year. I really need it to be because I have so much stuff to do. So then we got this thing. Ooh, gift wrap and accessories. Wrapping paper, tags, stickers. This is C.R. Gibson as well. That's really pretty. And I've never seen something like this before. That's wrapping paper. What? Wait a minute. Hold up. So these look like, these are tags. Jolly cheers, fa la la, peace merry, it's snowing. There's some reindeer, and then it has like a perforated hole that you punch out. So you can like stick some ribbon through there and add it. Let's see, let me show you. So when you punch it out, there's a little circle up here that you take out as well. So right there. So then you can put it on your gift. That is crazy. I've never seen anything like this before. So then here's page number 1 of different labels and tags. Then page number 2 is right there. Then wrapping paper. So as long as you don't have a big old box, you tear this and it gives you, oh wait, there's a big piece. I gotta rip one of these out. It's a big piece. Look at this. You just rip it out. So just ripped out, okay? You open. And you open. And it's this paper and you use it for wrapping paper. I like that. So you have the reindeer There's 2 different sheets of the reindeer. Then you have this black and white tree, and there's 2 of those. There's 2 of these. This would even be something that wouldn't even just be for Christmas because it just looks like a cool little flower pattern. Then here's black and white. Again, that would be for any occasion. There's some more trees. Black and white stripes, any occasion. There's 2 of those. Here's some color stripes. That would be in any occasion. You can use them for Christmas, but here's some reindeer. That's an any occasion. And there's 2 of those. That is awesome. I'm going to use all of the Christmas themed ones, and then the ones that are not Christmas themed, I'm going to save because you never know when you need a last minute gift, or if you have it and you lose track of time, you don't have a bag or whatever, they've got you covered because you can just use this for wrapping paper. And then you have the little gift tags. I mean, obviously the fa la la ones, but there's just like a bow that could be used for any occasion, or just these regular to and froms that just have bows. Those can be for any occasion. They don't have to be for Christmas. So I actually really like that. All right, you guys, now we have is a Christmas garland, and this is also by C.R. Gibson. And it looks like it says, Santa, please stop here. Don't fall, hold him. And then, what is this guy? Oh, it's a big bag, like for you to put a gift in. And look at this big old tag on it. What does it say? North Pole Delivery. That is so cool. So this is C.R. Gibson as well. This is North Pole Delivery Santa sack. It's a 20-inch by 28-inch sack with a gift tag and jingle bells. Jingle bells. Is there jingle bells? I don't see a jingle bell, but I don't need a jingle bell. It says with jingle bells and jingle bells. I don't have jingle bells, but I don't need jingle bells. The tag says in jingle bells. I don't know. But here's a big sack that you can toss a gift in, and you just drawstring it up. And then it says North Pole Delivery. This big old tag. That is really cool. And if you don't want to use this as that, you could always use this as like a laundry sack or to put stuff in. If your kid goes to sleep over, they can toss this in this bag. You can just take your little delivery tag off. But so you don't have to use this for a Christmas gift, but this is a really nice bag that you can use for anything. That's awesome. So that is everything that's gonna come in this free bag. So if you are one of the first 75 people to sign up, you'll get this bag. You'll get this little trinket dish, which is so cute. You have an ornament that you can custom put on there, a picture of anything, your pet, your kids, your family, yourself, just a scenic view, whatever you want to put in there, you can customize it. You have this really neat gift wrap and accessories that I've never seen before. You have other labels here. You have 2 boxes of Christmas cards, which 3 prints in all 3, because this one has 2 and this one has 1. And then you have this garland wrap. I hear them sleigh bells ring-a-ling, jing, jing, jing-a-ling, jing. How cute. Okay, there we go. Santa, please stop here. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that is in this box. Oh my gosh, if you are one of the lucky people that do sign up because you like this box and you get one of these for free, this is amazing. I really like this stuff, and I'm so excited that they sent me this. And thank you again so much, Confetti Collections. Love my subscription. Again, I bought an entire year because at 105, I felt like that's the better deal to go because it's a whole year and you get 6 boxes of amazing paper goods, and they get a lot of stuff from C.R. Gibson. So I really love this box, and I tell you guys that when I get it. One time I got a camel drink, and I was like, ooh. And so what do? When I'm drinking wine on Wednesdays, that is my Wednesday wine cup. That's what I use. It's my go-to. Anytime it's a Wednesday, I grab my Wednesday hump day wine glass. So, and then one month I had butterflies. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite. That is my favorite month. Like, I have so many butterfly cool items, like paper goods. And then they even had little sticky notes that you pull off and her butterflies. Oh my gosh, it was so cool. Like, I love the things that they put in this box. So comment down below, you guys, let me know, are you subscribed to this box? Have you thought about subscribing to this box? Are you going to get this box now for the year so you can try to be one of the first 75 people to get one of these? Because that's amazing. So it starts today, the 29th. Today it starts. So if you are interested, try to hurry up and be one of those first 75 people so you can get this amazing box for free. If you end up being like the 76th or later, you guys are still gonna love this box. You might just not get this box, but you're still going to love the box. I do. So there you go. So what did you guys think of this holiday edition box that 75 people get to get for free? It is amazing, you guys. So comment down below, let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys as well. So thank you so much, and until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.